Ready? Level 1. Money IQ. Which investment has the best long-term potential? You have 5 seconds. Go! Correct. Millionaire thinking. Index funds are diversified, making them one of the strongest long-term investments. Level 2. Scam alert. Which offer is most likely a scam? You have 5 seconds. Go! Correct. Scam spotted. If someone promises huge guaranteed returns every month, it's almost certainly a scam. Remember, every real investment comes with risk. Level 3. Business IQ. What is the biggest advantage of a software business? You have 5 seconds. Go! Correct. CEO mindset. Software scales easily because you can sell it again and again without increasing production costs. Excellent. Level 4. Investor mindset. What is the best way to reduce risk in an investment portfolio? You have 5 seconds. Go! Correct. Investor mindset. Never put all your money in one place. Diversification is one of the smartest ways to reduce investment risk. Mini Boss. This challenge is worth 300 experience points. Choose the friend with the millionaire mindset. Who is most likely to have the most money after 30 years? You have 5 seconds. Go! Correct. Sarah invests consistently every month. Small investments made regularly can grow into significant wealth over time. That's how millionaires think. Mini Boss clear. Think you're ready for the next challenge. See you in part 2.